Hi, Margaret Maloney here, and welcome to the Introduction to Project Management capstone course. This is the course that brings it all together. You've been learning about what project managers do and best practices for managing projects. Now it is your turn to put the best practices in your own practice. Well, that sounds great, but what does it really mean? It means that you are going to select a project and act as a project manager. You are going to create some of the project management deliverables that we've been discussing in our previous courses. The deliverables you are creating are all part of the planning what you would do with your team at the start of a project. With regard to your project, you may select whatever you wish. In a perfect world, you would select something that is both useful and interesting for you. Your selection might be a real project. It might be made up. It might be something that is really happening in your professional life. It could be something you're working on in your personal life. In a perfect world, again, it's that you select something that's useful and interesting for you. Now remember, a project has a defined start and end. It's temporary, and it's creating or enhancing a specific product or service. Great, but what if you feel like you don't have a project to work on? Don't worry, it's okay. This course includes some potential project ideas for you to use. What are you really doing? How do you really put together your class project? Here are the elements or the components. You're going to write a charter statement, create a work breakdown structure, sequence project activities, build a schedule, create a budget, create a responsibility assignment matrix, and identify risks and define responses for those risks. You have a bit of work to do, but you're up to the challenge, absolutely. Okay, now you might think, what if I don't remember what some of those things are? Or what if I don't remember how to create them? Again, relax. Look at your information from our previous courses, your notes, the assigned reading. Ask your classmates for help. They will be a tremendous resource to you, and you can be a resource for them as well. We have discussion areas where you can work with one another to ask questions and share ideas. Your class project is worth 48 points. Each deliverable that you turn in, each component, has an assigned value. For the detail of these values, you're going to see the information provided to you in our online course materials. In addition to the project, you're going to act as a peer reviewer for at least 3 of your classmates, and 3 of your classmates are going to do the same thing for you. If you don't perform your peer review duties, you won't pass the capstone. This is a very serious requirement. So you want to review 3 people's projects. You want to receive feedback, so do they. I just wanted to welcome you and tell you a little bit about what to expect. You know what I say now. Bye for now.